Gasket mounted? Check. Hotswappable? Check. Wireless? Check. Under $50? Check, 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 and check. This is the Tecware Spectre75, and hands down, it's one of the best budget 75% mechanical keyboards I've unboxed and used in 2024. But here's the thing, after a few months of use, is it really that good for the price, or is it cutting corners where it matters the most? Let's take a closer look. Hey there, welcome back to Kevin Tech. If you're into mechanical keyboards, gaming, and tech in general, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Today, we're reviewing the Tecware Spectre75, a feature-packed budget mechanical keyboard that delivers a superb build quality and an awesome typing experience right out of the box at a fraction of the cost. We'll go through the Spectre75's features, battery life, gaming experience, and modability to help you decide if this is the right 75% keyboard for you. And if you haven't seen it already, check out the ASMR unboxing and initial impressions video of the Tecware Spectre75 linked in the video description or right over here. Just a disclaimer, while Tecware did provide the Spectre75 for review, what I say here is 100% honest and based on my experience. If it sucked, I would already have said it from the get-go. The Tecware Spectre75 is a 75% mechanical keyboard, meaning you still get your function row, arrow keys, and navigation cluster. Just enough for most tasks while keeping everything compact. At first glance, you might think it was made of metal. I wouldn't blame you. It is, however, my dear viewer, made of plastic, but it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap at all. No crazy flex, no creaky sounds, and for under $50 or 2,795 pesos. This thing is solid, and the finish actually makes it look premium too. For the price this comes at, Tecware packed a lot into the Spectre75. It features a hot-swappable PCB that supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, south-facing RGB LEDs to ensure no interference with cherry profile keycaps. It also has a gasket-mounted design, but it has minimal to no flex. The Spectre75 also features tri-mode connectivity, meaning it has wired mode, Bluetooth 5.0 mode, and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, which is almost a must for pre-built keyboards nowadays. A customizable LCD screen for uploading your own GIFs, plus a rotary knob to help you access the LCD display's features. This keyboard is honestly overbuilt for the price, and that LCD screen isn't even essential, but it's a fun little bonus. The first thing I tested when I got the Spectre75 was battery life, and I was honestly surprised. I started my test on December 10, 2024 at 10:01 PM with the RGB at 100% brightness using 2.4 GHz mode. I ended the test on December 26, 2024 at 1:03 PM and it still had 15% battery left. Now this might not be the most scientific test. December was a pretty hectic month for me, but I did use it for gaming in Valorant, editing videos, and filming an ASMR gaming session. Linked here by the way. And with the RGB and LCD screen turned off, I bet it would easily go over 300 to 400 hours, just like Tecware claims. Typing on the Spectre75 is genuinely satisfying. The Tecware Wraith Candy red linears are smooth, a little light but great for long sessions. Whether I was typing scripts or gaming, the feel stayed consistently good. The gasket mount on the Spectre75 doesn't offer much bounce. It's definitely on the firmer side, but the sound profile is clean and soft, which I really like. The stock stabilizers are pretty decent out of the box. It could use a tune-up if you're picky, but honestly very usable without mods. Overall, it was a pleasant typing experience, especially at this price point. Now let's talk gaming. And yes, I played Valorant and Marvel Legends on this thing. In 2.4 GHz mode, it performs like a boss. No input lag, no disconnections. And its compact layout also means I'd still have enough desk space for proper mouse movement, which is great if you game on low sensitivity. Just don't expect Wooting 60HE plus level responsiveness, but for under $50, I really can't complain. If you like modding your keyboards, the Spectre75 is super easy to open up. Just a few screws here and you're good to go. I personally didn't do any major mods in the keyboard because it sounded and felt great stock. But one of my subscribers, Roast8548, commented on the ASMR video saying they added a single layer of painter stain and it gave the Candy Reds a sound profile really close to Gateron Oil Kings. So I tried it. And yeah, it definitely brought out that thought. But what do you guys think? Be careful when putting the Spectre75 back together. The tri-mode switch can easily be broken, especially when you try to apply force when closing the keyboard back. Be extra careful. Shout out to the kind sir from Cellnote Gadget Shop here in Ayala, Cebu for resoldering this twice, mind you, as I broke it the second time when I was putting it back together. However, if you're not into modding, the Spectre75 still delivers a great out-of-the-box experience with no mods required. The Tecware Spectre75 gives you amazing value for under $50. It's perfect for beginners, students, gamers, and anyone wanting to dive into mechanical keyboards without dropping that serious. It's not perfect, the stabilizers could be better, and the gasket mount is a bit stiff, but those are really minor things. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a compact, feature-packed mechanical keyboard that won't hurt your wallet, yes, 100%. The Tecware Spectre75 punches way above its weight class, and with just a bit of tuning, it can really go from great to awesome. But if you're expecting a super flexy keyboard with an aluminum case, via compatibility, and enthusiast tier feel, you need to spend way more. Otherwise, this keyboard is a no-brainer. That's it for today. Would you get a Tecware Spectre75? And if you already have one, would you mod it? Let me know in the comments. If you like tech, keyboard, and gaming content, like and subscribe. I have more reviews coming really soon. Want to check out other keyboards or other tech stuff I reviewed? Check these out right here. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.